Hey everybody, it's Alison Heikkila, and I'm going to show you a really quick tutorial on how to use some Kaleidacolor inks, one stencil, and a gel press with a brayer to make 3 really cool prints. So I'm going to be using the mid-century geometric stencil from A Color for Life Designs. Let's see if we can get that focused for you. There we go. This is a great stencil, I love it. And we're going to use the Caribbean Sea Kaleidacolor inks. These come in a huge range of colors. You can even get ones without any ink in them so that you can create your own sort of ink blend. So what happens with these is that there's individual pads and you click them together sometimes to get them to kind of meld together, and then you can use a brayer to roll on top of them and apply them directly to paper. But in this case, we're going to use a 6x6 gel press plate. And I don't even need to click these together right now. I'm going to just apply my ink going down one side here. And you're not really going to be able to see the ink. You can see a little bit of that teal in there, but that's about it. And then I'm going to flip it over because it has this little sort of pull and push tab so that you can click and unclick them. We don't want that to get onto our plate. So I'm just flipping this over and I'm going to apply some more ink. Just like so. There's plenty on here now. And I'm going to take my brayer. This is the Tim Holtz brayer. I like this one for ink. I don't usually use this one for paint. I keep it specifically for my inks. I'm just going to roll it out a little bit just to kind of get those colors blended together a bit. And then I'm going to just take the excess and start a roll-off print on the side. This will wind up being awesome too. So now I'm going to take my mid-century geometric stencil. I'm going to place it on top of a gel press plate, and then I'm taking just a piece of copy paper. I like to use a fairly good quality copy paper. I'll be sure to try to find it online and list it in the description below. Pull this back, see how the transfers. That looks pretty good. And that is our first print. Now I'm going to remove my stencil. I'm going to leave it off to the side. Take a look at all of that ink there. We're going to use that. But now I'm going to take a second print with what is left on the gel press plate. And there's our second print. Pretty awesome. Okay, now I'm going to move my gel plate out of the way. And I'm going to bring the stencil back into screen. And I'm just going to take some water. This is just water in a spray bottle. And I'm just going to kind of reactivate it. And I'm taking another piece of paper. And I'm going to smush it down on there. And you can even use the brayer if you want to make sure that you have contact across the whole thing, since the gel press plate is no longer a part of what we're doing. And ta-da! You've got your third print. So now let me move this out of the way. I'm going to dry off my desk here so that I can show you all 3 prints. But how simple is that? In less than 3 minutes, and me talking, we've got 3 pretty awesome prints that'll be great for any of your projects, be it a card, a scrapbook page, tags, etc. So nice and easy. One pad with lots of colors, one stencil, and a gel press plate. That's it for me. Thanks so much for stopping by. See you again soon.